Hey, this is a video of me just unboxing a new pistol I got. Rock Island 1911. M1911E1. I always wanted one just because I'm Filipino, and of course Rock Island 1911s are made in the Philippines. As you can see them right there. I don't know if you can see that. So I got to represent. So I finally got one. I got from Runnings here. My local Runnings. Originally, I wanted a Mac 5K, but I had to wait after work to go to the store, and someone bought it before I could. So I was looking around to see what I could get for 50% off, and I saw this, and I thought it was pretty interesting because it's a 1911 that is optics cut. I think I read online from the limited information I could find. Maybe it's in the user manual, I need to check, but it's cut for RMSC, RMSC cut. So yeah, let's unbox it. It looks pretty sweet. It has that classic look, but has a red dot on it. So here it is. Here's the box. And then it says, shoot smart, shoot a rock at Rock Island Armory. We stand by our products and are available for any questions you have. Visit rockislandarmory.com. Warranty details and more information. Sorry about my hands. Hands are really dirty. I'm a mechanic. So you can see here, user manual. I'll look over it, see what optics cut it was cut for. I saw this earlier at the store. That was pretty interesting, I guess. Well, it comes with this chamber block flag thing, and it comes with a red dot mount for the red dot if you want to install it on a rail on something else. But what sucks, kind of sucks, I was looking at the store but I couldn't find it. Hopefully it's in the bag, but I was hoping if I wanted to remove the red dot I could put a plate over it, but I don't think it does come with it. It comes with a wipe, cleaning cloth. Comes with some extra screws. That's pretty cool. And then the inspection card assembled. I said it was sided. Oh, because I was looking through it at the store and it seemed like it was not sided in, but it said it was sided in March 29, 2025. That's pretty cool. Here you go. Here's the pistol wrapped in plastic. There's that warning label. For safety, please read the user manual. Yeah, here it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's covered in some kind of grease. I'm gonna wipe it down, but it's just a basic M1911, but it's cut for a red dot. It doesn't have any logos for a different brand. It just has Rock Island Armory logo on the red dot. It is metal, it seems like it. I don't know what brand or what model this red dot is, but you can see there's another logo for Rock Island, and that logo right there. And then that's about it. It comes with one mag, I think. I'll look through the bag, but one mag. It says ACT Mag Italy. I don't know much about 1911s. This is my second 1911, I would say. I bought a long time ago. I had a AMT hardballer, a long one. I wish I never sold it, but that's a long story. Ask me about it later. But here you go. Here you go. 1911. Let me put that mag in. There's some weird white paint right there. I guess I could just wipe it. Hopefully it comes off. But in the box also comes with this pretty sweet bag. Little carrying case, soft case. Also since 1905. That's cool. Put this aside. And then here's the bag. I don't think there's anything else in here. I'll open it for you guys. Yep, open. Just a little big pocket right there. And that's it. I guess it's a pouch for the one mag it comes with. Yeah, that's cool. Right there. And then I guess this is for the pistol itself. I guess I'll put this. So, how do I do this? So, ta-da! So I guess that's how you do it. And then put the mag right here. Boom. And you just close it up, carry it, bring it to a range. But yeah, there's a logo on there and nothing else. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Take this off. Let's rack it. Let's test out the trigger. Not bad. 1911 trigger. Oh, that reset's kind of crunchy. I just need to wipe it down a little bit. Just shoot it a lot. It'll probably get smoother. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a 1911 45. I did throw in, I think it's a Pro Mag, 10 round mag. They had like 2. I just bought one just to test it out, see how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. But yeah, here it is. Pretty cool. Oh, and what I noticed is that other than its optics cut, this has higher sights, so you could co-witness with that red dot, which is pretty cool. Because I recently bought a Kimber 2K11, which is pretty sweet. Other than, I know a lot of people have good reviews about it, but when I first got mine, let me show you mine. So here's the difference between, oh, I got this for, so I got it for sale, and it was pretty sweet, so that's why I picked it up. Can't really say prices on YouTube, I guess. But here's the way cheaper option, and here's a really expensive. It's not really a 1911, but it's a 9mm. It's 2011. But I did recently just get this and wrapped it, of course, you know. But it is a Kimber 2K11. Just a short little, I guess, review for this one. When I first got it, I shot it 80 rounds, and then I started to get hammer follow. I think that's what 1911 guys call it, or 2011 guys, but hammer follow. So of course, you know, I don't know much about 1911s or 2011s. I didn't want to return it, so the only thing I had to do was mess with the sear spring, and I was able to fix it. Slides pretty smooth, trigger's really nice. But then after that, when I fixed that issue, I shot a couple rounds, and then probably like 20 rounds, and then my red dot mount loosened up. So that's no biggie, but I just tied in the screws and it's fine now. Put a lot more blue Loctite. And then I brought it to another range day. I shot it probably 200 rounds, and then my front sight got loose. Really loose, it was gonna fall off. So I just, you know, I shoot red dot more. So I just try to align it as straight as I can, and then just put some blue Loctite. But yeah. Sweet. So I guess, yeah, so there's that. It's Kimber. Had some minor issues, but I was able to fix it. So we'll see how this way cheaper Rock Island 1911 is gonna perform when I bring it to a range tomorrow. Of course, the spring's a little harder. A little heavier. Trigger is pretty nice too. But that reset, of course, not the same as that Kimber 2K11. It's a little crunchy, not as short, but still pretty nice. There you go.